Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Rally pauses as Trump says other consulate closures possible. http ntvforex.com News ID 9E5924. 7/23/2020 11:40:58 a.m. Top daily news. Equity markets are mixed currently after flare-up in U.S.-China tensions following U.S. order that China close its consulate in Houston in 72 hours. Beijing called the demand a political provocation and vowed China will undertake legitimate and necessary responses. President Trump later said other consulate closures were always possible. Forex news. Currency pair. Change. EUR/USD 0.07%. GBP/USD 2.28%. USD/JPY 0.02%. The dollar weakening persists currently ahead of U.S. Labor Department report expected to show 1.3 million Americans likely sought unemployment benefits over the last week. The live dollar index data show the ICE U.S. dollar index, a measure of the dollar's strength against a basket of 6 rival currencies, lost 0.1% Wednesday despite a report existing home sales jumped 20.7% in June. Both EUR/USD and GBP/USD continued climbing yesterday with both pairs higher currently. USD/JPY joined AUD/USD's continued climbing yesterday with both yen and Australian dollar higher against the greenback currently despite Australia's projections of record budget deficit. Stock market news. Indices. Change. Dow Jones Index 0.02%. GB 100 Index 0.19%. Nikkei Index 0.14%. Futures on 3 main U.S. stock indexes are rising currently after a bullish session on Wednesday. Earnings season continues with Intel, AT&T, and Blackstone reporting quarterly results today. Stock indexes in U.S. ended higher after better-than-expected corporate earnings reports of the 58 companies that have reported results so far. 77.6% have reported results above expectations, compared with the average of 65% who reported above consensus estimates in prior quarters. The 3 main U.S. stock indexes recorded gains ranging from 0.2% to 0.6%. European stock indexes are rebounding currently after a pullback Wednesday. Asian indexes are mixed today after reports China may retaliate to U.S. instruction to close the consulate in Houston by demanding to close U.S. consulate in Wuhan. Commodity market news. Commodities. Change. Brent crude oil 0.81%. WTI crude 0.36%. Brent is rebounding today. Prices slipped Wednesday after the U.S. Energy Information Administration report that U.S. crude oil inventories rose unexpectedly by 4.9 million barrels last week. The decision by the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries and Allied Producers, collectively known as OPEC, to start easing record production cuts of 9.7 million barrels per day to 7.7 million barrels per day starting in August through the end of the year is seen as a downside risk by traders against the background of rising U.S. domestic crude stocks. The U.S. oil benchmark West Texas Intermediate WTI futures retreated September. WTI edged lower 0.05% but is higher currently. September Brent crude closed 0.07% lower at $41.14 a barrel on Wednesday. Gold market news. Metals. Change. Gold 0.13%. Gold prices are extending gains today. August gold jumped 1.2% to $1,865.10 an ounce on Wednesday. Want to get more free analytics? Open demo account now to get daily news and analytical materials. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.